Okay. I'm searching and going to make some edits. C. Change to another one. Okay, I'm going to add this part as well. So I said, add OK. So I added it, added the same object as well. Now the structure. Oh, just to remove one, to add one. Okay. Okay. Now these are quite technical ones, wherein you have to have some idea on AICC wrapper content. But let me show you quickly. Okay. And this is never done by, what does AICC stand for? That's a language you can say, oh, okay. AICC wrapper. So now we are mostly all using scomrite or HTML5. Okay. 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 So AICC. Why I'm doing it? I'm doing it because now, when you access this learning, how would I know that? How would system know that? Sometimes you see what happens. You go and you completed your training. Let's say 50% or 40%. Okay, when you come back, system asks, do you want to resume from there? Have you seen it? Yes, it says that, yeah, you finish halfway through. Yeah. A communication bridge, I would say from the content, between content and the element. Oh, okay. So I say okay, online file name wrapper ml. It's got parameters. Okay. Oh, so this is how you create a wrapper. But this one is the technical part, right? Oh, okay, but interesting, you know. Oh, so this is how. Okay. Understanding your method. For reporting, new reporting. I mean, the basic reporting is already there, but to learn how to create new reports and elements, you need to have some idea around SQL. But don't worry, I'll explain you the basics as well. So again, this is quite a normal one. Let me show you. The next one. Okay. So we have one which is certificate. We already did the notification and certification. But yes, a bit part of the certificate. We will go through and reports right. These two things are there. So for reports, of course, we need to learn about SQL a bit. Okay. So I'll show you the basics of SQL. in detail for 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, so that you have a fair idea how to add it. Rest, everything in reports are already available. We just go and run that report, right? Yeah.